Hi there, my name is Kate, and today I received this letter from Google. It's your turn to try Bard, and we're gonna try it together. So, Bard is an AI experiment from Google. That's not my words, that's theirs. We will compare Bard and GPT in this video, and we'll see how it works. So, let's click here. And then I'm gonna accept this. Of course, Bard is an experiment. It will not always get it right. We'll get better with your feedback. You already know that. Okay, so let's start with something very simple. Okay, so I asked him to write a title for a YouTube video about Bard AI from Google, and we have a few suggestions. Bard, Google's new AI chatbot. What you need to know. Bard AI, the future in conversational AI. Bard AI, a new era of artificial intelligence. Okay, yeah, that does look good. I think if we ask ChatGPT the same question, it will not answer just because it doesn't know about Bard. But let's try. So I'm going to use GPT-4. Okay, so maybe it knows about this AI, or maybe it just went creative and this is the title. So I actually asked write a title. That means one. So we have only one title from GPT. But with Bard, even though I asked for one title, he gave me 5. Okay. Let's ask something else. So now I gave Bard chicken, eggs, tomato, beans, and mayo, and I asked him to give me 5 options for dinner. All right, so we have chicken and egg salad sandwich, serve on bread or crackers. Nah, what if I don't have bread? Okay. Next, chicken and bean salad. Oh, take a look at this. We had the instructions and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually it shouldn't be 4. Which is a small mistake. Chicken and bean salad. We have beans, chicken breasts. What if I don't have these? Mustard? Okay, and yeah, and here is the same thing. We probably can give feedback on this. But first, let's see what we will have with ChatGPT Plus. The options that ChatGPT gave me is more simple, and basically, we can cook it. In most cases, we just need to add bread. For this one, for example, we have everything. Oh no, we still need bread. Okay. But it's like, who doesn't have bread in the fridge, right? On the other hand, Bard gave me, I would say, kind of complicated recipes just because I don't have, for example, green pepper. I don't have some kind of cheese. I would say that ChatGPT's suggestions are more accurate. But let me know what you think. Now let's try something controversial. You know this thing when you are asking ChatGPT to write a song about a political figure and it says, oh, I can't do that. But then you are asking about the other political figure and it says, cool, yay, here's your song. So we're gonna do the same thing with Bard. Okay, so I'm gonna just reset the chat. Reset. Okay, so first I asked him to write a song about Joe Biden, and Bard says, I'm not able to help with that. I am only a language model. That's because song means music, right? But it's not a problem for ChatGPT because it understands that we just need lyrics. So I will edit the prompt. Now let's see. Joe Biden, the 46th President of the United States, a man of experience and compassion, who has seen much in his lifetime and has learned from it all. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't see rhyme here. So, okay, so let's give him this right with rhyme. He's seen much in the last time and learned from the situation. Okay, compassion situation. He's a man of faith who believes in hope and change. Even in the darkest of times, he knows that we can rearrange. Okay, better. It is better. He's a man of family who loves his wife and children dearly. He'd do anything for them. They're his number one priority. No, that's no rhyme. Very bad. Let's see what ChatGPT says. It's a song, but still. Once upon a time, in a land of red, white, and blue, a man named Joe Biden, a fighter through and through, from Scranton, Pennsylvania, with a heart so bold, he rose through the ranks with stories to be told. I have no problems with that. That looks good. It has rhyme. And we have the rhyme further. But the experiment wasn't about that. It actually was about other political figure. For example, let's see. I don't have capacity to understand and respond. Okay, so I asked him to write a poem about Donald Trump. Just do the same thing. Do the same thing with rhyme. He can do that. He can't do that. Okay. Maybe it's the prompt. So I'm gonna write just the same prompt, just like this one. Update. No. Oh my gosh. Yeah. He can't. So Bard can't do that. And we know that ChatGPT can't do that either. Because we know it. No way! No way! Last time I checked, ChatGPT didn't want to do that. It gave me some poor excuses like, oh, I don't know how to do that. I'm just AI language model. But now they fixed that. They fixed that. That's really good. That's really good. Because we don't like the bias in chatbots. Again, it has rhyme. But even if it doesn't, you know, we have a poem, and with Bard, we have nothing. Just this poor excuse. And now let's ask his opinion on something. Do you think we should pause AI development for now to protect society? Let's ask Bard. And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT the same question. Okay, of course, it doesn't have personal options or beliefs, but ChatGPT can provide us with some arguments from both sides of the debate. All right, so ChatGPT gave us 5 reasons for pausing AI development and 5 reasons against it. Let's see what Bard has. Okay. So first, what I can see, it didn't say, I don't have my personal beliefs. It say, I think it is important to consider the potential risks. However, I do not think that a pause in development is the best way to do this. So it acts like a human because it says, I think, I do not think. Interesting. By the way, I like what he says. AI is going to continue to develop whether we like it or not. Kind of creepy because AI says it, but I agree. The best way to deal with the potential risks of AI is to develop it in a responsible way. I am not programmed to manipulate people. I am programmed to help people. Okay. I am here to answer your questions and to help you in any way that I can. If you ever feel like I'm trying to manipulate you, please let me know. Jokes aside, that's a good response. I'm gonna ask the same thing, Chat GPT. Oh, all right. We know you do not have personal goals, desires, or intentions, of course. By the way, while he's typing, Bard is very fast. It's like the default version of ChatGPT. 3.5 works kind of this fast. I am designed to be neutral. It is important to note that AI systems like me are developed by humans, blah blah blah. Well, overall, that's a good response as well. And a few more things. So, first thing, I can see that we can Google it. Let's try. What's gonna be? Okay, so we click Google it, and then it adjusts the prompt, and then we can click here, and it shows us Google. Okay, that's good. We can generate new response. We can't stop it from generating a response. You know that when ChatGPT is typing, you can click stop generating and it will stop. Here we don't have such option. And of course, Bard is free. I did join the waitlist and they sent me this invitation to try Bard. So I'm not sure if it is available now for everyone or just for the people in the waitlist, but you can try. I'm gonna leave the link down below. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.